My name is Sumi Gupta. I am the curator for Madras Art Guild. We are very excited to welcome you to VR Chennai on this 5th edition of Madras Art Guild, which promises to be the largest one with the most sculptures, installations. We have more than 1300 works, 5 galleries, and really interesting installations. We have a Kalakar, we have lovely collaborations with UNESCO, which has a 250 kilo installation, which is built from marine waste that's collected from the beaches of Chennai. And that is, talking about the environment. Our theme this year is The Future is Now, and for that we have wonderful collaborations with institutes such as Cholamandal Artist Village, Government College of Fine Art, Kumbakonam, Chitravani. So we're very excited. We have a puppet theatre festival. We have the children's art competition, which we call the Young Artist Program. There is also this year a short film festival, which is a pan-India festival, which is going to be, all the winning entries are going to be screened at Madras Art Guild. So VR Chennai for 1 month is going to become, a festival which is evolving, which is going to have different workshops, music performances. There is also, you would have noticed when you walked in, a piano called Love Piano, sponsored by Yamaha and in collaboration with the Council General of Japan in Chennai. That has been painted by a very famous artist from Cholamandal Artist Village, and whose father, a very well-known artist as well, had many years ago collaborated with us as well. So we are very excited to bring you the 5th edition of Madras Art Guild, which is large. We have installations outdoors, indoors, spread across the center. We have workshops across this 1 month. I would encourage everybody to come and view with their families, with their friends, and make a day of being immersed in wonderful student art. Thank you. We have multiple institutes participating. We have over 100 students participating. We have over 1,300 works. And I'd like to take this opportunity to also thank the Huge Foundation, which makes it possible for these public art festivals, including Madras Art Guild, to come every year and bring this festival to Chennai at VR Chennai. The street art is also very interesting because, again, it's at the theme The Future is Now, where students have imagined, what is important to maintain the planet going forward and what they want the future to look like. Some of the installations which they would have been inspired by in the festival are also very futuristic, using AI, using 3D printers. So the street art is an amalgamation of all those various concepts which the students have reimagined and painted. The message for the audience really is loud and clear. Madras Art Guild is, as you know, very, very popular. But we would want more and more people to join, to come in and view these works, enjoy these works, so that the students feel encouraged, the faculty feels encouraged, and we come back bigger, better, stronger every year. Like I said, this is our 5th year, and this is our largest Madras Art Guild with over 1,300 works, and to put 1,300 works of students with senior artists, where the youngest student artist that has been displayed today is 8 years old, and that is really quite impressive. Thank you.